Good morning, students. Next we are going to discuss about exercise 4.2 14th question. Already we discussed about the two types of triangle. One is median value they are given how to draw the triangle. Another one is median value they are given how to find out the length of the altitude. Two types already we discussed. Now today we are going to see third type. Construct a triangle PQR such that QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle P is equal to 60 degree, and the altitude from, in before they are given here median from, now here they are given altitude. Altitude means that is the perpendicular line. Okay, altitude from P to QR is of the length 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is the third type. Instead of median they are given the altitude here. Okay, altitude they are given. How to draw the triangle, you have to see here. So first as usual rough diagram, QR value, angle P is equal to 60 degree. Next what you have to do, line QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter, line segment they are given. So I have to draw QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, next what you have to do, as usual, take a protractor here, turn the rotation. You have to keep the protractor line touch at the point Q. You have to measure 60 degree. You have to measure 60 degree like this. You have to keep and you have to measure 60 degree. It will meet here. Okay, now you have to join the point Q to this line at this point. Okay, you have to join the line like this. Join the line like this. Again you have to take your protractor here, keep your protractor at the same point Q, but you have to rotate like this. You have to keep the protractor like this. You have to mark the point 90 degree. You have to mark the point 90 degree. Okay, it will come like this. Now you have to join Q to this point, Q to this point. Okay, so now you have to join like this. Next, take a compass here. Take more than half of the value. Take more than half of the value. So you have to draw the arc at P up and down. Q as the center. You have to draw the arc up and down. The same value R as the center. You have to draw the arc up and down. So it will not intersect. So again you have to keep the point Q. Okay, so you have to draw the perpendicular bisector here. Perpendicular bisector, you have to join the line. So you have to join the line like this. It will meet the line at QR at G, and the Q and the perpendicular line join at O. Now as usual you have to measure the value of O to Q. You have to measure the value of O to Q. Now you have to keep the O as the center. Start to draw one circle. Start to draw one circle. Okay, you have to draw one circle like this. Okay, so that perpendicular line, it meet at the point G, and this here point O. You have to measure the point O to Q. O to Q, you have to keep the O as the center. You have to start to draw one circle. Next, what they are given? Altitude. Altitude value QR. Altitude value they are given 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so you have to take the 4.5 centimeter here. So altitude given. So median they are given. You have to keep the point at center G. You have to draw the arc like this, but here they are given the altitude. Altitude means that perpendicular line, that straight line, that bisector line is the no. That line itself you have to cut one arc. Cut one arc. This is the altitude. So this is called 4.5 5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. Already we know that this is called PE, this is called F, this is called F. Now you have to join the line here to that. Again before that, what you have to do, you have to keep the ruler here. You have to take the set square. You have to take the set square and ruler here. You have to keep the ruler like this. You have to take the set square, the long length side. Okay, long length side you have to keep it like this. You have to measure the value correctly. Okay. So now you have to join the line like this. Now you have to join the line like this. You have to join the line like this. Why we are using the set square? It is the perpendicular to this line, no? So it will come the line straightly parallel to this line. So that's the reason we are using the set square to draw the line. Without set square also you have to draw the line, that's no problem. Okay, so now you have to join the line here to here. Next you have to join the line here to here. Next you have to join the line here to here. Okay, as usual. So this is called the P. So you have to join the line here to here and here to here. This is the required angle of required triangle. Okay, thank you students.